Nice. Nice. Hello guys. Okay again. Fair trade again and again. Walang bago. Trade pa rin tayo. So, we're here at Ethereum 5 minutes time frame. And susubukan ulit natin sa indicator. Gain sa Algo V2 Alpha. Kung ano ba magagawa niya kay Ethereum. Yan. Okay. So, I think maghihintay ulit tayo ng signal bago tayo mag-sell or buy. Kung nagkaroon tayo ng signal, tingnan natin. Ay, bilis yung signal ha. So buy. So let's gonna buy. Okay, I buy I think 1,000. Yan, 1,000. Yan. So buy. Yan ang 1,000. Nice, up mo. Nice, up. Nice. Woo. Nice.